welcome to our discussion on artificial intelligence and web systems and technology. Today we're going to answer the question, why is AI relevant or beneficial in studying web system and technology? So the answer to that is, in today's ever-evolving digital landscape, the integration of artificial intelligence or AI into the study of web system and technologies has become not just relevant but essential. Let's delve into the reason why AI plays a crucial role in understanding and mastering web develop web development, focusing on coding like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So these are the advantages. First, AI provides unparalleled efficiency in the learning process. With intelligent algorithm, it can tailor educational content based on individual progress, adapting to the unique pace and style of each learner. This personalized approach accelerates the understanding of coding principles, making it more accessible to a wider audience. Beyond individualizing learning, AI brings automation to web development tasks. This not only expedites the coding process but also allows students to focus on higher level problem solving aspects. By automating repetitive tasks, AI becomes a valuable companion, enhancing productivity and fostering creativity. These are the advantages. However, the synergy between AI and web development is not without its challenges. One prominent concern is the potential over reliance on AI tools. While automation streamlines processes, it is vital learners for grasp and fundamentals independently, ensuring robust understanding of the coding, languages, and concepts. Another challenge lies in the ethical considerations surrounding AI in education. Systems like data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the digital divide needs careful attention to ensure that the benefits all learners equitably. Despite challenges, and the advantages of AI in studying web development and technologies are undeniable. Its ability to analyze vast data sets allows for the identification emerging trends and technologies, ensuring that the educational content remains relevant and up to date. In conclusion, the integration of AI, the study of web systems and technologies, offer unparalleled benefits, from the personalized learning experience to automated task assistance. Yet it is essential to navigate the challenges responsibly, fostering a balanced and ethical approach to education in the digital age. So as we embrace the transformative power of AI, let's embrace that the future of web development lies in the harmonious collaboration between humans, ingenuity, and artificial. So that is for our topic today, AI and web systems and technologies. Thanks for watching and happy coding, everyone.